Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Babila with us in the shop. And I came in for a few things, mainly that there was a lot of leakage when it came to water, and it wasn't actually brewing. It would just drip, or nothing would come out at all. And so we did quite a few things to this. Firstly, we completely removed the spouts here. Now, you can open these spouts up, so that's pretty much what I did. Let me grab a rag real quick. Opening the spouts is a little bit tedious, but you can do it. First, you have to pop off the caps, and then you have to dismantle this piece by piece. I believe it's 4 pieces if you were to count this. These chrome pieces come off, and then you have the 2 sides that split in half. And then you have this little, movable where your actual spouts are at. So I completely opened it, deep cleaned the insides of them, so there shouldn't be anything in there. And what that is, it's really hard to do cleaning cycles when your clogs are, or when your spouts are clogged. So sometimes you just have to really open up the entire spouts. So that's what I did. Fully deep cleaned it. Secondly, did a tune-up on this machine. Tune-up involves removing the brew unit out of the machine through the button on the left side, and then completely pulling it out, deep cleaning it, make sure there's no coffee buildup, replacing the gasket on it. Also replace the valve that's inside of the machine that goes behind the brew unit. You will see it's hidden behind a little wall, but you can't see it if you were to just take the brew unit out. It's a little valve that gives water to your brew unit, and so we replaced that completely also with a brand new one because your older one looked a little older and worn. So it comes with new gaskets and then a new valve. And then lastly, I also did descaling with the tune-up, and also did cleaning cycles just to deep clean the part of the spout that right here, all this. And then lastly, I replaced the pump. So replacing a pump on this machine is way harder than a traditional espresso machine, which usually calls for a little bit more time. Pretty much you have to remove the whole panels off, which as it stands, this is one of the harder machines to do that. You have to remove the back panel, then the trimming, then you have to remove all the screws back there, and then you have to remove the lid completely off. And then once that's completely off, you can remove both panels by prying open some clips. And then on top of that, the pump is located in the back side of the machine under a bunch of other stuff. So you have to remove quite a lot to get there. But now that we're here and all the work's done, we're just going to quickly brew an espresso shot. You're going to hear it grind for a little bit. It's going to push all that into the brew unit, and then the brew unit is going to move, tamp itself, and then it's going to start brewing through that water valve that we replaced. But yeah, so we're going to just let it run. These machines traditionally take a little bit longer to service just because of, especially if it's, mechanical stuff like water pumps or ceramic valves, stuff like that, just because everything's really crowded in the back over there, or in the back of the machine. Anything when it comes to like general servicing, like tune-ups and stuff like that, is very simple. It is long, but it is simple. And so stuff like replacing water pumps does take quite a while. But yeah, just in doing a few wipe downs while we wait. As you can see, that shot came out good. This is using old coffee, so don't worry about if there's not a lot of crema on there, but there is quite a bit. Now, secondly, since we did test a few other of the functions, we are going to test the hot water and steam, but I'm going to refill the water tank real quick. Now that we got more water in there, we're going to quickly test the steaming function, which I believe is in... Where is it? I think it might be... Let's just do a cappuccino. That'll be easier. Actually, I can't. There you are. Alrighty, so hot water. We're going to just quickly do this. We're going to move this out so you can see the water stream that comes out. We did do descaling on this machine, so you should have a pretty clear, boiler or heater block, and everything should run very smoothly. If you start seeing maybe the hot water come out and, not a steady stream, or you're just seeing the steam kind of pop out instead of like a constant steam, then yeah, I have a few issues with clogging. As you can see, we got a really steady stream there. Now we're going to stop it just so we can run the steam one if it lets us. This machine did not come with a carafe inside of the machine, so we kind of stuck without it, but hopefully it lets us just use the milk frother. It doesn't. So we're not going to test the milk frothing. But besides that, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.